In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check QC on Dhgate 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate product quality with confidence before you buy. Start by opening the product listing and heading straight to the reviews section. Switch to the Photos and Videos tab. This is where you'll find the most honest look at what customers actually received. Prioritize clear close-ups taken in real-life lighting, not overly edited shots. Packaging photos help you understand how carefully items are shipped, and close-ups of size tags, stitching, and any branding or logo details reveal build quality. If you see lots of genuine, varied customer photos, that's a good sign that quality control is consistent. If there are no photo reviews, treat the listing as higher risk and proceed carefully. Next, filter the reviews by newest. Recent feedback matters because sellers can change suppliers, materials, or factories over time. A product that looked great a year ago might not match current batches. Read the most recent comments and scan for patterns around color accuracy, sizing, stitching, or defects. Give extra weight to recent photo reviews that show the item under normal lighting. Then, check the seller's store page. You want a high store rating, aim for 4.7 or above, plus a track record of at least 2 years in business. A healthy transaction volume and solid feedback across multiple items are reassuring. Be cautious with brand new stores that have little history or listings that attract repeated complaints about bait and switch tactics. Before you place an order or immediately after, message the seller and politely request real QC photos or a short video of the exact item before shipping. Ask for shots of the actual product, the packaging, the size tag or label, and a close-up of the color. Serious sellers will typically cooperate. If you only receive stock images, push for originals, follow up with targeted QC questions, confirm whether the item matches the quality seen in recent review photos, ask if there are any flaws you should know about, and get confirmation on material and stitching quality. If the seller dodges these questions, consider it a red flag. You can also cross-check quality in communities. Search for your product name with Dhgate QC on discussion forums or groups to find real breakdowns and side-by-side comparisons from buyers. When you receive QC photos, zoom in and compare against the listing and reviews. Verify color accuracy, any visible logos if applicable, stitching neatness, shape, and overall finish. If something looks off, request a replacement or cancel before it ships. Finally, order one item first. Do an in-hand check and only then scale up. This approach protects your budget and helps ensure consistent results.